Welcome to this technical breakdown of online versus offline, uninterruptible power supplies, or UPS, specifically for home labs. We've all felt the frustration of a sudden power cut. It leads to data loss, hardware damage, and interruptions to your work or entertainment. A UPS acts as your battery backup, providing immediate power when the main source fails, giving you time to shut down safely. The offline UPS is the most basic type. It routes AC power directly to the load. Only when the power fails does the transfer switch activate the battery inverter. A major drawback of offline UPS is the switching delay, which can be 2 to 10 milliseconds. This brief gap can be enough to disrupt sensitive electronics. Layer 2 is the line interactive UPS. It's a smart shield that monitors power quality and can regulate voltage without needing to switch to battery power immediately. The online UPS, or double conversion system, is Layer 3. It converts AC power to DC and then back to AC continuously. The load is always powered by the inverter. Because the inverter is constantly running, the online UPS offers zero switching delay and provides pure, continuous power regardless of utility input fluctuations. Let's compare the offline and online systems. The online UPS provides the highest level of protection, while the offline option is the most economical. Online UPS systems are more expensive due to the advanced double conversion technology, which requires more complex components for constant operation. For basic home use, like powering TVs, routers, and laptops, an offline UPS is usually sufficient and cost-effective. For home offices or gaming setups, a line interactive UPS is the recommended choice. It offers better protection against voltage issues. For mission-critical applications, such as servers or medical equipment, the online UPS is the best option for guaranteed, uninterrupted power. Pro tip: remember that battery life is critical. Keep your UPS in a cool environment and monitor the age of the battery to ensure maximum performance. Now, you are ready to confidently choose the best UPS solution for your home lab needs.